Welcome back to another video. It's early morning and it's 7 o'clock. The locality, most of the people are still sleeping in their houses, but there are some people like me have already got up for different kind of purpose. Like today I got up to make a video about good environment, very good environment, because my looks is looking you very gloriously and shining quite much. And I have come to riverbank, but due to the high number amount of mist, you cannot see behind my environment, behind my side. This is the river. You're seeing something more, I think. And it's still once upon a time, this time, like 1 decade, 2 decades ago, people came, especially the fishermen, used to come to the river with their boats and going to catch fish in this early morning. But it's unfortunate in Bangladesh is getting lost or already lost a huge number of fishes from this type of river due to illegal way of fishing. For this reason, and for the fishing person or fishing rate in Bangladesh is still losing or decreasing. Whether it doesn't matter. As a citizen, we have a lot of responsibility. We have a lot of responsible and we have a lot of responsibility, but we do not follow. We do not avoid one of anything. This is the reason for this. The maintenance or balance is broken. Otherwise, it is not possible. As much as we cannot take the balance. So by the way, we will talk about the environment, and the last 1 week we haven't found this type of environment, especially the mist in the morning. There was no enough mist or fog in the early morning like today, but today's weather is very cold. I like winter season, especially the fog day, and this is one of them. And it's very shiny, very good, and there is no pollutions, there is no air pollutions, there is no any kind of pollution. Thus, I am seeing or hearing the bird sounds. It seems to me singing very good sounds. I like bird sounds. And visit me, I have shown you previous video about this field. This is the gourd tree, and already the owner have cultivated different kind of things. Beside me, this is a red spinach, other things, and this is the garlic behind me. It is a seed, so it is not still prepared for eating, and still the drop of water is falling on me. Skin is full of the drop of water. It's water of fog for this, and very good thing. I have not good preparation about this video, but just I am thinking, I'm expressing. This is okay. Great thing is happening to myself, and this is mustard follower. I make a lot of video about this in my nearest field, and this is here available. But this is just there are some number of mustard follower tree. It's not enough for taking for harvest. Oh, by the way, the owner of this field who are cultivating this field is actually new. He is not a regular for farming sector, and he has just a small amount of it and try to use the most expensive and most useful harvesting, most useful products which are heaven or which are both usually in our life, which for this like gourd in the winter season we eat up a lot. The garlic, one of the masala, it is used huge in our daily life, I think, for this reason. And beside me, this is a homestead. This homestead length is around 10 around the 10 percentage, or it's a 0.15 acre, and it connects beside the main road. I'm coming from there. This is the huge. So this is the environment thinking. and you practice like me or better than me, but practice is important. If you practice regularly, one day you can be fluent and you can speak better than me, but keep practicing is important. So I have to leave this video from here, and I'll come back to another video with new moment, new thing. Keep practicing. Assalamu alaikum.